if you can put a title of expanding quadratic brackets, the grade, and also today's date. Make sure you've underlined the title with a ruler. You've seen in previous years when you're expanding single brackets, that means that you multiply whatever's on the outside by both bits inside. Here, where we've got two brackets, what you need to do is multiply every bit that's in this bracket by everything in this bracket. We've seen this a little bit already when we did the surds topic, but here we can go into much more detail with it. So in order to do this question, what we would need to do is multiply x by x, which would give us x squared. We multiply x also by this plus 7, so 7 times x to give us plus 7x. We then need to multiply the 4 by both bits in this bracket as well. So 4 multiplied by x gives us 4x. The 4 was positive, so we put a plus there. And then we do 4 multiplied by 7, both of them positive, so it gives us plus 28. We then need to simplify. This gets us our second mark. The only thing we can do is keep the x squared exactly the same. Plus 28 stays the same. But this bit in the middle, plus 7x, add on another 4x, would give us plus 11x. Our second example is very similar. So we would have to do exact same method, x times x, which gives us x squared, and then x times 11, which would give us plus 11x. We then do 3 multiplied by both bits, so 3 times x would give us plus 3x, and then 3 times 11, because again both numbers are positive, would give us plus 33. Collecting together the things that we can collect together, that would give us x squared. 11x plus another 3x would give us plus 14x, and then plus 33 at the end. The only thing you can ever simplify will be these two middle sections here. We can also do this when negative numbers are involved. So you'll be able to attempt the first section using all this. For these, okay, this will be the second section, we would do the following. So we've got x multiplied by x, so still x squared. X multiplied by 2, and it's the number that tells us whether or not we put plus or minus. So because it's plus 2, it becomes plus 2x. We then do the same with the 4, but just be careful. 4 times x, because the number is negative, this becomes minus 4x. And then we've got negative 4 times positive 2. A negative number times a positive number always gives us a negative answer. So 4 times 2 becomes minus 8. Collecting together, this would give us x squared. Because we've got plus 2, take 4 away, well, positive 2, take off 4, would take us down to minus 2x, and then minus 8 at the end. Same for this question. We've got x times x, so x squared, and then x times minus 4 to give us minus 4x. Then we've got positive 7, so 7 times x would give us plus 7x. And then positive 7 times negative 4, well, 7 times 4 is 28. and we've got a positive times a negative, so that always gives us a negative answer. Collecting together, this will give us x squared. Now for this section, we've got minus 4, add 7. If you start on minus 4 and go up 7, you get to plus 3, so it's plus 3x. And then our minus 28 on the end. Again, just these two middle bits that combine together. Final example, we've got x times x, so x squared, x times negative 5, so minus 5x. We then do minus 4 times both bits, so minus 4 times x gives us minus 4x. And then just be careful, negative 4 times negative 5, well that would give us plus 20. A negative times a negative always gives us a positive answer. Collecting the bits together then, we would get x squared. Now here we've got minus 5, take off another 4. So we go minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 by taking away the 4, so minus 9x, and then the little plus 20 on the end. You should now be able to attempt all of the questions on the expanding quadratic brackets worksheet.